In a bold move, Marjorie Taylor Greene takes action to disbar Fani Willis, the District Attorney of Fulton County. Greetings and salutations to all. Today's video focuses on the actions of Georgia Representative Marjorie Taylor Greene, who has taken steps to disbar Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis due to her connection with a prosecutor hired for the Georgia election interference case involving former President Donald Trump. In a complaint filed with the State Bar of Georgia, Greene has requested an investigation into Willis, as well as her suspension and eventual disbarment. This complaint follows a ruling by Superior Court Judge Scott McAfee, who determined that Willis's romantic relationship with Wade created an appearance of impropriety. As a result, Wade had to be removed from the case for Willis to continue pursuing charges against Trump and others involved in attempting to overturn Joe Biden's victory in the 2020 election. And now, without any further delay, let us begin our discussion. In a move that has caused quite a stir, Marjorie Taylor Greene, a representative from Georgia, has lodged a formal complaint urging the disbarment of Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis due to her alleged connection with a prosecutor she employed for the Georgia election interference case involving former President Donald Trump. In her social media statement, Greene expressed her intention to file a complaint aimed at the disbarment of Willis, citing allegations of corrupt behavior. In a post on X, formerly known as Twitter, Greene expressed her belief that Willis should have faced consequences for her alleged political persecution of President Trump, especially after evidence emerged of her extravagant vacations with her partner, Nathan Wade. The individual was financially compensated with a significant sum of hundreds of thousands of dollars, but was incapable of fulfilling their duties. According to Bloomberg News, a complaint was filed by a Republican congresswoman with the State Bar of Georgia, requesting an investigation into Fani Willis, her suspension, and her disbarment. The congresswoman expressed her dissatisfaction with the judge overseeing the election interference case for not disqualifying Willis and for allegedly lying on the witness stand about her relationship with Wade, the special prosecutor hired by Willis. In Georgia, anyone can file a complaint against a practicing lawyer, but the proceedings remain confidential. Therefore, it is uncertain whether the Georgia State Bar will investigate or dismiss Greene's complaint. Ultimately, the Supreme Court of Georgia holds the authority to determine any public discipline against a lawyer. This complaint follows a ruling by Superior Court Judge Scott McAfee, who deemed Willis's romantic involvement with Wade as creating an appearance of impropriety. As a result, McAfee ordered Wade's removal, stating that Willis cannot continue pursuing charges against Trump and others involved in attempting to overturn Joe Biden's victory in the 2020 election. Shortly after McAfee's ruling, Wade promptly submitted his resignation, stating in a letter to Willis that he was doing so in pursuit of democracy, with unwavering commitment to the American public, and with the intention of expediting the progress of this case. The defense attorneys claimed that Wade received substantial payments for his involvement in the case, and that Willis unlawfully profited from these earnings by using them to fund trips for both of them. Willis and Wade confirmed their involvement in a romantic relationship. However, they refuted any claims of improper advantages gained by Willis. They asserted that their relationship did not commence until after Wade assumed the role of special prosecutor and that it concluded in the previous year. They clarified that any expenses incurred were either personally covered by Willis or reimbursed to Wade in cash for travel-related costs. As per the Associated Press, McAfee has opened the door for Trump and the other defendants to challenge the decision that permits Willis to stay on as the prosecutor under the condition that Wade steps down. The ultimate decision on whether to consider this matter will rest with the Georgia Court of Appeals. The complaint lodged by Greene is yet another attempt by Trump's supporters to undermine the extensive criminal cases against the former president, who is currently the presumed Republican nominee for the upcoming 2024 election. Trump has vehemently denied his guilt in relation to all the charges brought against him, portraying them as a deliberate attempt to hinder his campaign to regain the presidency. To support our channel's growth and ensure broader awareness, kindly hit the like and subscribe buttons. This will help us reach more individuals and disseminate valuable information. Thank you in advance.